Orange software refers to a suite of open-source data visualization and analysis tools designed primarily for data mining and machine learning. Developed by the Bioinformatics Laboratory at the Faculty of Computer and Information Science, University of Ljubljana, Slovenia, Orange is widely used for both educational and research purposes, as well as in industries for various data analysis tasks. Core features and components. Visual programming and workflow. Orange is renowned for its visual programming approach, which allows users to create data analysis workflows using a graphical user interface, GUI. This feature makes it accessible even to those with minimal programming knowledge. Users can drag and drop widgets, which represent different functionalities, example data preprocessing, visualization, and machine learning algorithms, to create complex data processing pipelines. Data mining and machine learning. Orange provides a comprehensive suite of tools for data mining and machine learning. It supports a variety of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and association analysis. Users can experiment with different models, compare their performance, and fine-tune parameters to optimize results. The software also integrates with popular machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, allowing for extended capabilities and advanced model implementation. Data visualization. Visualization is a key strength of Orange. It offers an array of interactive visualizations, including scatter plots, bar charts, box plots, and dendrograms, among others. These visual tools help users understand data distributions, detect patterns, and identify outliers. The interactive nature of these visualizations facilitates exploratory data analysis, making it easier to generate insights and communicate findings. Extensibility and customization. One of the standout features of Orange is its extensibility. Users can develop custom widgets in Python to extend the functionality of the software. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple data analysis tasks to complex research projects. Additionally, Orange supports scripting, allowing advanced users to automate workflows and perform batch processing. Applications and use cases. Education. Orange is widely used in educational settings to teach data science, statistics, and machine learning. Its intuitive GUI and interactive visualizations make it an excellent tool for introducing students to complex concepts without the steep learning curve associated with traditional programming-based approaches. Research. In research, Orange is utilized for various purposes, including bioinformatics, social sciences, and environmental studies. Its ability to handle large datasets and perform sophisticated analysis makes it a valuable tool for researchers looking to extract meaningful insights from data. Industry. Industries such as finance, healthcare, and marketing leverage Orange for data-driven decision-making. The software's capabilities in predictive modeling, customer segmentation, and trend analysis help businesses optimize operations and strategies. Conclusion. Orange software stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for data visualization, analysis, and machine learning. Its user-friendly interface, combined with robust analytical capabilities and extensibility, makes it an invaluable resource for educators, researchers, and industry professionals alike. By lowering the barrier to entry for data science, Orange fosters a deeper understanding and broader application of data-driven methodologies across various domains.